Hey, it is Tuesday, so let's do our do now. Does the amount of tension you pull back on a bow and arrow affect how far the arrow flies? Why or why not? We kind of demonstrated that we discovered that the more you pull back, it does affect how far the arrow flies because that gives it its push. We're going to learn what that term means later today. But we're going to go to our next slide, is that I will experience real life force and motion and use deep thinking, critical analysis, discourse, and multiple perspectives today. You're going to participate in field experiences that demonstrate force and motion and speed and acceleration, and I can relate these to the real world. We're actually going to go outside and we're going to, in the hallways, and we're going to mess around with some common household toys and learn how it relates to physics and everyday life. So what I want you to make sure you do is you take notes, you share in the classroom Wonder Padlet, and when you're done, we're going to do an exit ticket. What did you learn about speed? And what altered the motion or speed of the objects in your station today? Like I said, it's short because we're doing a lot of hands-on here today. If you're looking for something to do, you can Google things at Force and Motion with Physics Toys or Physics Fun Field Experiments, and I'm sure you'll see lots of examples. All right, have a great day.